Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to get power points fast in Brawl Stars. Power points are essential for upgrading your brawlers, and today I will show you two effective ways to get power points fast. The first method you can use is Trophy Road. The Trophy Road is an excellent source of power points as you can earn trophies and complete the Brawl Pass tiers, and you will receive various awards including the power points. Progressing through the Trophy Road, it will give you power points at specific milestones. Now, the second and the simplest way to earn power points is by playing the game regularly and completing daily and weekly quests. These quests often reward you with tokens, which you can then use to open the brawl boxes. Now, make sure to prioritize these quests that give you the most token and try to complete them as efficiently as possible. This will maximize your rewards and help you to get more power points. These are some methods which you can follow to get power points fast in Brawl Stars. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe the How To channel.